Thank you. The Prince of New Indigo, watching the Thank you. Oye, Captain John Mokija, thank you for that wonderful performance. Once again, happy birthday to you. Another 365 days completed in a good health, you know, easy. If I know your name later, I give everybody for choosing Indigo as a #1 priority power, for choosing us as a #1 power. All the power I hear no name power for Ewa Cake. I want to cake if I know name na banya. Oh, it's open as some people are not go, some people are here for Celine. But I get my card, I say, I've been John Walker, okay, one. Happy birthday to you once again. After being the waking, okay, one and actually, which is security door, not the wisdoms, okay, one. Not the wisdoms, they were branching them, but I achieved another one, Abuja. I need Lagos so many issues no that is our head office. Not the wisdoms, Organa security doors. The Nukuda security door. Organa Western doors, Organa Golden Diamond doors. Not the wiz, Organa Yan. Can you get one more Nabagana, Okato Zora, that is a one quarter. Okay, Mambo na Bagana, Oji, Jacuzzi, na English party, Boko. Only soon, no, Deska, Nigeria Limited. I cannot to train home, Jacuzzi, as the English party, get the total of man. Okatos are I say, no. You're highly welcome to this great bar. I am my PJ, I want to have a cake now. I will make. Kìdé ló máa kó dé àdé Imo State òjì kókó ìmọ̀ọ̀kọ̀ àkọ́dé dé àdé àkúwàkò ẹ̀kẹ́dẹ́gbẹ́ one of Indigo OBCJ, the Prince of Indigo. I want to use this video opportunity to appreciate you and cut the cake, please. You can as well come out and show him love and appreciate him tonight. A good fan of our picture, go to my sound system, come out and appreciate him right now as we are cutting the cake.
Inspired now. What is it?
Lord, we go there and you want I want to cake. We go down and you want I want to cake.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. I can not see a chile to go see you. I was the girl. Okay. Can you make what one? Because what you want to make carry to see them. I don't want to make it. You know, I'm trying. And then what's the work? Now, you go to this one. I'm going to take my beautiful wife. You do not go. So there, one for a man to go. In the back of my own life, you know. Because I came for I'm going to Hachi, here to the Nakita. When I took a level now, I want to take a why you could Chabani. You got blown out of the world. I want to do the best of the room. You can't go to the room, I want to take. I'm going to make one of the power, here to the Nakita. I don't know what you felt. Because they get on a bubble, Hachi, watching another, watching another. The Prince of New Indigo. Because my chamber will not be black and blue now. Black and blue now, I will want to take. The Prince of New Indigo. Above them, how many I want to be the black? Let you know, Like you to the prince. When I was on that, what did the bubble? Never under the bubble. And then you know, I was posting hands. What I do? Okay, I'm going to go for one of you. Over my beer, like you don't know, but I want to people. Because I was now. There is somebody can handle them people. Over my beer? Yes. Can you see now? I don't know. I wasn't going to you want to get up and down. Offers you phone your beer. Watching them on the beer. Okay, I'm going to go. I'm going to go to the area. I'm going to go to the
people, Lord, please unveil the cake, please unveil the cake. I want to double cake. Lord, you don't have any man I deal with Buddha cake here because I never got a number. Open you get booked away, booked out and Makali. When I got touched because I got the people now. I got I died. People, go to my people, well, you want to double cake. Chidaka number. Oduma, cake and tea, they want to there. I got with the last cake, I want to know Jesus. Come on, cake and tea, they want to there. I got more inspiration to entertain Umu. Ebu gaga global. Ige jebu we mo woya. Ige jebu we potonya no na koya. Makanifa bi beti kide naka. Aina se ega wake kinka wate ya kwa kuni enwenwe. Wata rike wata ogonogondo. Aina se na keke ozinga wana ndoga apu keki. Iho munando na Jesus. Kara mutino eba akebe. That's the witness. Aina sika uso buna hasibe kwado ya birthday na badia na chileke gambo atia mwaje buru mwaje na Jesus. Onyeje no baje nya welu. Onyeje boko na afia ogele. Onye twani hwaria on Monday. Chineke gezi the customers. Chineke geje ha contract, kege with the contract. Aina se kaije wake kika bana fakenta na kopara na kebonso. Happy birthday. What is it na kopa? Ofumo kija. Obariye na sele mona kina mo. O mama na kina mo no dawa. Ofuma benga ikete. Wow. Ofuma oye de selfona ke. Bring it up. wetara gị frem ihu anaghị nwunye gị mma edebe anya n'ihu ọ dịka iru anaghị ya mma ọ trọsụrụ di ya I was joking hey ọ bụrụ obere ife Oduma ị nwere ngabasị ihe ahụ appreciation ụmụazị na-arụrụ gị ọrụ si na ị nwere nke a ịkonye ihe ahụ ihe ji wee na-akwado ya mete na ha enweghị ọlaọcha na ha enweghị ọla edo happy birthday Oduma official number one surprise Johnny Whistles, that's in my mind. How far? Johnny Whistles, that's it. Oh, but those were the bucket. Oh, but those were the bucket. Oh, but those were the bucket. Oh, but those were the bucket.
I
The ceremony for tonight, 28 June, Kamudo Dogu, Owesi, you celebrate every day now, I cannot easy. If you are a people, they play the show.
I tell you.
The dancers say, they know the good sound of the good vibe of music, of highlights. On the more kitchen, if you are not busy, we would like to have you on stage right now to entertain all our guests.
Ụfọdụ na-anabanye invitation karịa ebe na mmadụ chezọ ụbọchị afọ ga-eme ya bụ ife. Mana ụfọdụ na-anabanye invitation karịa ebe na ya dịfa chezọ ụbọchị afọ ga-eme ya bụ ife. Mana ụfọdụ na-anabanye invitation karịa ebe na ọfịs fa chezọ ụbọchị afọ ga-eme ya bụ ife. Mgbe jụba onye na-echezọ invitation karịa ọmaka gịnị si ya bụ ndị soro na ndị ga-adọ ya bụ ife. Ọ bụ na ịma njezi ya ọ bụ ndị soro na ndị a na-akpọ ejiri ile gị ka onye na-ejelu mmadụ ya ka mmadụ na-ejelu. Asa okwu anyị ọnụ asa gị paakị n'ọhịa dịrị gị mma. Onye ụmụ mba dike eji na nwanne gị na-abịa dị na mkpụrụ. Ya paakị so na onye kwụnyelu n'ọkụ n'ọnụ a mma jezero je paakị ọ bụ ndụ. Ya paakị so na onye kwụnyelu n'ọkụ mgbe m na-ebido ije ụwa m ya bụ je paakị. Asa nyekwa nwunye di gị asa your no wife. Yes. Happy birthday to you.